Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Arkan Filah, and today I'm gonna doing a tutorial about how to making this project. So this project is a name card. Basically, it's like show you information like a name card, but in your mobile phone. So first of all, you need to open your Codular and then you create the apps. So after that, you uh, click create project, and the project name is you just type name start test. Okay. Oh yeah, this start with a letter and can contain only letter, number, and underscore. So we just don't add the space, make it underscore like that. Name card test, and then we next like that. App name card. After that, just like this, and then finish. So you just need to wait, and then you can change the font from Google Pixel 3 to Samsung Galaxy S9 like this. And then to make like this, the first you need to show option menu uncheck list and show status bar uncheck list. And for the here to first we align horizontal center and then align vertical center, and then we just copy the background color the FF to FBFA, and then we copy the background color in here, enter, and then set, uh, and then the title yeah is just write name card like this, and then after that just add first is card view. We add card view in layout, and then this align horizontal center, align vertical center, and then for the card view is height 80% with 90%. 80%, and then 90% like this, and then corner radius 20, and elevation 10. Okay, like this. After that, we put the okay like this, and then we put image from user interface. We put image in the middle, and then first we make the layout first, yeah. Put the image space you can get it from the general space, put down here, and then this use label you can get in here, label, and then space again. You just need to duplicate from here. So this 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3, so we need this one. Okay, first like this, and then put this in down, and then 1 2 and we put a label again, lateral D, we put in down here, and then duplicate again, put in down here. Okay, after like this, we put the horizontal arrangement. So the horizontal arrangement three times. We put the horizontal arrangement from layout general, horizontal arrangement. So in here, in the horizontal, align horizontal center, align vertical center. So the the ini the width make it fill pattern, fill pattern like that, and then we put image one, and then we put the space, just duplicate space, and then the label, duplicate, and we put in here, and then we just uh, make from here first. So the space is the width is 1%. So width 1%, this, and then text for label, just font size-nya 14, and then center alignment, add text alignment center, and like this. Try we wrote SMP IDN boarding school. Nah, like this. And then for this, we just need to duplicate in down and then duplicate again one again. So we start from the image. So from the image, you just upload your whatever photo like in here. May I just put this one and then wait. This already. Then close. You click the picture and then this click here. Then it's gonna show in here. And then this the space in here is height 1%, 1%. Then in down here 1% like that. So it all the same like this. So we just need the text label, make it font bold, and then the this is font size 20, 20, and like before text alignment center, and just write Muhammad Arkan, enter like this, and then we go to the second one just like this, and then text alignment center and change this to usaha, maybe just add bold, yeah, and then for here maybe the height is 50, yeah, okay, 50, and then in here we put again just whenever you want to put, like example my logo, and then what again, yeah, and then I ever download the trophy, trophy. Nah, trophy like this. And then first in here is this one. Oh shit, this too big. So make it fill parent. Yeah, it's okay, it's like this. And then the picture is the trophy one. Make it fill parent. And is oh yeah, 60 pixel. 60 pixel and then 60 pixel like this. We try put this one to 60 pixel too. Okay, like this. And then the last picture is about the number. So we upload the file again and then search that something that have connection with number. We just the plus and then we upload the asset. Then we just change the picture to plus. Nah, like this. And then we change the label to first this, the motivation. Always work hard. And then in here just your number like blah blah blah. Okay, and then your own name card project is finished. And then yeah, maybe just that tutorial I can tell to you all. If sorry if I have some mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.